Tape www.suividecolosénégal.com. À École au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape École au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
Continuous tense. Present continuous tense. Now the difference between the present simple and the present continuous are. Now for the present simple, we use an action, or we have expression of an action which is happening at the time of speaking, or which expresses a general truth, or which expresses a habit. This is the present simple tense. Now it is different with the present continuous tense, because present continuous is a tense which is happening in the present. This is a situation in the present, and now it is progressive in the present. Present simple, we have action which is simple in the present. Present continuous, so we have action which is progressive or continuous in the present. Both are different. So I repeat, present simple is used for a simple action in the present. That's why we have present simple when the action is happening at time of speaking, or when the action expresses a general truth, or when the action expresses a habit. This is the present simple tense. Now, present continuous, it is used for a situation in the present, which is progressive or which is continuous. Now, we have the present continuous when the action is happening now, or when the action is happening at this time, or at this moment, or at the time being. This is a present continuous tense. Now, the present continuous is used to express a situation, in the present, which is progressive, or continuous, which is progressive or continuous. Now that means an action. That means an action which is happening now. This is an action which is happening now, or at the time, or at the time being. This is the present continuous tense. It is an action which is happening now, or which is happening at the time being. This is the present continuous tense. Now, so we have differences between the present simple and the present continuous. So let's take an example. Examples. Example with the present continuous tense. John is moving to abroad. John is moving to abroad. So we have here subject plus to be in the simple present plus verb plus ing form. It is John is moving to abroad. Now example 2, my classmates My classmates are reading the text. My classmates are reading the text. Now the form is here, subject plus to be in the simple present plus verb plus ing plus ing form. It is present continuous tense. It is present continuous tense. John is moving to abroad, present continuous. My classmates are reading the text, present continuous. Now, it is the differences between the present simple and the present continuous. For the present simple, I say, for the present simple, we have situation or action which is happening at the time of speaking, or action which expresses a general truth or habit, or action which expresses a general truth. Now, this is for the present simple tense. We use it for a simple situation in the present tense, or a simple action in the present tense. Okay? Now, this is not the same with the present continuous tense, which is used when they have expression of a situation in the present which is progressive or continuous. That means we have an action, or when they have an action which is happening now or at the time being. This is at this time. This is an action which is happening now. For example, when they say John is moving to abroad, it is an action which is happening at this time, at the time being. John, he is here and he is moving abroad. For example, my classmates are reading a text, or my classmates are reading the text. This action is happening now, is happening at this time or at the time being. This is an action which is progressive at this time. We are here in the classroom and we see our classmates are reading a text. The text is being read at this time. The text is being read at this time by our classmates. This is differences between the present simple and the present continuous tense. We have to know these tenses are situations which are happening in the present and now which are different, because we have simple action for the present simple and progressive action for the present continuous or present progressive tense. Thank you very much, guys, and have a good understanding. Okay, thank you for your attention, please. Thank you very much.